Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Taylor, and welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, your favorite excuse to day drink. Now, today's happy hour is going to be centered around National Tequila Day, so I figured let's go with a pretty simple and easy recipe. Let's not overcomplicate it like we did last week's recipe, and we're going to be making the Tequila Sunrise. This drink has some pretty simple ratios with 3 ingredients, 5 if you count the 2 garnishes that we're using right here. So we're going to start off and use 2 ounces of tequila. We're going to use 3 to 4 ounces of orange juice. Now this you can play around with. This is like the orange juice you use in your mimosas. You can either put a splash on there or you can just do a whole lot. Really depends on what you're looking for the ratios. But we're also going to sink about ½ an ounce of Grenadine in the bottom. That kind of gives it that sunrise name. That's the whole name behind the drink, guys. Now, starting off, I will be cutting down my ice to size as it's really not going to fit inside the glass yet. I have to kind of shave those edges down. Starting out first, we're going to pour 4 ounces of orange juice in here. Followed by 2 ounces of tequila. Now, I worked on something special before I even started this video, and I cut a beautiful little garnish here for us to use. Basically just a regular orange twist like this, and then I cut a tail on it just like the tail of a fish, and then I wrapped it around a bar spoon and I let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. That way it really keeps its shape for us right here. Set that right on the front edge. I'm gonna take this spoon, we're gonna give it a quick stir before we do our Grenadine float here. Now I'm gonna do my best to try and sink this here, guys, but we will see just how good that looks. With our cherry in the middle, we're gonna set our garnish right across the top. Wow, that looks absolutely beautiful, you guys. Okay, before I take the one sip, one test, I'm gonna go run away, take some quick photos, but I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, I'm back. I think this drink still looks absolutely beautiful. It's not really like that red, white, and blue one where it has that top layer that just kind of bleeds into the layering. This one looks absolutely beautiful, and having some thick ice cubes in the middle or crushed ice really does make it easier for that layer to stay separated. But without further ado, I'd say it's time. One sip, you guys know the rules. Beautiful. I mean, we all know it's gonna taste absolutely amazing. One of the things that is going to make your drink or break your drink is if you use cheap tequila or a good tequila. If you use great tequila, you're really gonna taste it here, absolutely, especially if you're going a little bit light on the orange juice there. Now, with this drink, you're not really gonna taste that Grenadine. It is more for the visual effect, unless you give it a quick stir. But me personally, I think I'm just gonna leave it beautifully and I'm not really gonna mix it up. Comment down below what you would do. Do you stir yours or do you just keep it separated the whole time you're drinking it? Let me know down in the comments. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to turn on that post-subscribe notification bell. Stay tuned to further drinking holidays and future happy hour episodes just like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next week's. Cheers. Can we get some appreciation for the garnish? Thank you.